what that was.
Remind everyone of what's going on. And with every shot, show a little improvement to show it all would take too long. That's called a montage. Even Rocky had a montage. In any sport, if you want to go from just a beginner to a pro, you need a montage.
Hey, man, for the past 20 years I've been working on the laws of gravity, and I believe that they cannot be neither destroyed or reversed. So, these are my laws. Objects at rest stay at rest, and objects in motion stay in motion in a straight line exactly upon an unbalanced force. Second, force equals mass times acceleration.
Very interesting.
For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
By God, Newton, I believe your work will explain the gravitational theory and its effects in space.
I believe so.
So these laws of motion I have formulated in my book, Principia, and these help explain my universal gravitation and laws of motion.
How were you able to figure this out? I've never seen these math equations before.
Well, with the help of Gottfried Leibniz, we've been able to calculate this using calculus.
What the heck is calculus?
Calculus is a form of math that helps explain physics, which I've named, and helps explain the force equals mass times acceleration.
Very interesting.
Huh. According to your research I see here, you believe the world is shaped like an oblate spheroid.
Yes, an oblate spheroid. That helps explain why our laws of motion, where gravity keeps pulling on every part of the earth wherever you stand.
Very interesting.
Huh.
That makes sense.
After this, Newton developed the first partial reflecting telescope. This telescope helped develop the theory of color. He also formulated the laws of cooling and observed the correlation behind speed and sound. In Newton's late life, he devoted most of his time to studying biblical chronology and alchemy. Though Newton had a great fascination with space, he was never able to perfect his ideas toward it. Newton's ideas and calculations are still used today to further advance our knowledge of the unknown. Though Newton figured out much in his lifetime, there is so much more to discover within ourselves, much less in the universe. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people.